How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this one I decided to do a new type of format to the channel, which is compiling what mechanics see on a daily basis. I have tons and tons of footage that I've gathered up over the years, showcasing some of the irregular failures and faults that we find in the workshop on an everyday basis. I thought it'd be very interesting for people to see the types of things we see in the workshop, so I decided to make this into a compilation, and I'll probably make a good few more in the future. So let's crack into this video.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'm a ride or die for my dreams on tap.
And that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that compilation of what mechanics and technicians see in the workshop. If you enjoyed it, make sure to comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.